Welcome to UGC NET Computer Science student. So in today's topic I'll be discussing another problem from fuzzy logic. I'll read out the problem statement. Compute the vector value of adding the following fuzzy integer. They given two integer. Here what is the representation of integer in fuzzy logic is each and every integer is along with its corresponding degree of belief will be represented. Okay, for example, if you are having 1 as integer here, its degree of belief is 0.3. So that is the concept here. Like that 2 for which degree of belief is 0.6, like that 3 for which degree of belief is 1, and 4 for which degree of belief is 0.7, and 5 for which degree of belief is 0.2. Okay. So which mean what is the probability of integer become integer with its corresponding probability value. Okay, that is the degree of belief. So like that we have B set here. So now we want to perform fuzzy addition. Okay, for that they represented the corresponding procedure, that is a maximum of x plus y equal to z, which is nothing but minimum of internal elements addition with another set elements. Okay, so now what is the f of a plus b? That is your question. So for that we want to discuss following solution. Okay, so now I'll tell you. Okay, suppose we are having two sets. If you want to add one set element with another set element, then you want first we want to compare its corresponding degree of belief. So here internally we want to take minimum. Okay, for example here 1 plus 11 equal to nothing but 12. So then we want to take its minimum degree. Okay, which means degree of belief 0.3 comma 0.5, which is nothing but 0.3. Okay, so that is represented here. 1 plus 11. Okay, so 0.3 and 0.7, minimum is 0.3. So now the addition first element is 12, for the degree of belief is 0.3. Okay, like that we want to perform no more 12 from this 2 set. So now I want to perform 13. Okay, so 13 can be performed in two way. One is 1 plus 12 is 13 and 11 plus 2 also 13. So from this we will be getting 2 13. So whichever 13 addition for that degree of belief is more, that we want to make it as final answer. Okay, so here I will explain. Okay, 11 plus 2 13, for the degree of belief is 0.5 because we minimum. And now 1 plus 12 is 13, for that minimum degree of belief is 0.3. Now maximum of 0.3 and 0.5 is nothing but 0.5. Okay, so that is 13 comma 0.5. Like that we want to perform 14. Okay, for that there are choices. 1 plus 13, for that minimum degree is 0.3, and 3 plus 11, and for that 0.5 is minimum degree, and 2 plus 12 also possible there. Okay, for that minimum degree of belief is 0.6. Now maximum of this 0.3, 0.5, 0.6, which is nothing but 0.6. So 14 comma 0.6. And like that for 15 we have, these are the combination. Finally from this we want to get 15 comma 1. Okay, like that 16, for that these are the combination. From this maximum degree is 0.7, now 16 comma 0.7. Like that 17, for which these are the two choices, and from this maximum degree is 0.5. Now for 18, so we are having only one choice to get the 18, and for that 0.2 is degree of belief, and 18 is its integer addition. Okay, so finally you'll be having this as answer: 0.3 comma 12, 0.5 comma 13, 0.6 comma 14, 1 comma 15, 0.7 comma 16, 0.5 comma 17, and 0.2 comma 18. Okay, so this is the final addition for these two sets in fuzzy logic. Thank you for watching.